Alright, troopers. So, after putting out that call of help, I spent some more time today, and I finally figured out how to put this thing back together. Okay, trying to do a proper job with the camera work here. So we got these 4 white keys that were off, back on their pins, and amazingly, yeah, when this hit the floor, nothing broke. But these are back on their pins, which is a 2-person job to put those back on, because someone needs to spread the holders, and then you just lay the key flat and press it in. And now for the part I finally figured out. I will be right back with you. Okay, so I'm committed to doing this on my own and having you guys get a good look. So once again, we took the bottom off. I had to take the bottom off and let the hammers kind of fall free like that. Then we're going to go through the ring light. We go in here, and as you can see, then hopefully, as you can see, the hammer where the has to go in right here. I can put some more light on the subject right there. There it is. And slide into that notch, and voila, we're good. Okay, so I hope I can impart some value here. Perhaps it is glossed over in some of the other videos. Those mysterious spacers that I talked about early on that fell out, I thought they were spacers. They're actually the threads basically that go in these slots here, and there's then the inner plate and the outer plate nest, and it's where these big black screws go in on the end caps. They go through the outer end cap, inner plate, and then through that brass or whatever it is, brass looking, looks like a spacer, but it's a threaded spacer, I guess, that goes in the slot. And then here she is. This is a PX100. Was this the first Privia, maybe? It was an early one. It's really old-fashioned looking, but still, board spins are not bad now. That's been fairly cleaned up. All right, well, thanks for watching, and if you've earned a subscription from you, that would be great. If not, thanks for stopping by. All right, this is Cameron, Crew Master Academy. Bye.